The potential that we have to spread not just across the US, but across the entire world is really exciting. We've created a company called Wander. We partner with destinations, we partner with private destinations, different tourism bureaus, and we help them create 3D interactive maps that they can distribute to their visitors via QR code. So when you go visit a place, rather than them handing you a paper map and saying good luck, they'll now say, here's your QR code, scan the QR code, and you have the most up-to-date information because it's provided directly from the destination and not just a public data source. And you're able to explore that place and see the local things that are highlighted within the map and kind of be able to immerse yourself within an experience rather than just hoping to find the closest McDonald's to eat at. There was a lot of things at UVU that I feel like prepared me. The professors set us up for success. The professors knew us individually and were aware of how we could succeed and where we should be in the world. I take pride in knowing that they were the ones I was able to associate with and to help my further accomplishments. I feel like UVU was the best place that prepared me for all of the responsibilities that I have, because I felt like I was able to see real-life scenarios, experience real-life projects, and be able to learn from professors that had not just been a professor, but had actually been in the workforce. Life is about learning and the constant learning. Learning doesn't stop when you graduate. Learning doesn't stop when you stop going to classes. The advice that I would give to current students is don't let fear dictate the future. Don't wait for someone to give you permission. You take the permission and you run with it.